Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlad, and in this video I want to cover something really important when you're looking to buy a Tesla. So when you're shopping for a Tesla, there's some of the things that you want to know. First, obviously you want to know like which model you want to get, and then two, look at the map of the charging around you. So if in case you don't have a home charger, or if you do, you just want to like just know just in case where the chargers are for the future. And also look into installing a charger at your house if you do have a house and you have a parking spot or whatnot. And that way you'll know how much it costs to install. From Tesla, it's a little bit expensive, like it ranges from $1,000 to $2,000, I believe, to install a charger. And if you don't want to do that, you can just obviously buy something cheaper and just call an electrician and have him install a plug that will definitely charge your car just as fast or as a Tesla charger, and it'll be way cheaper, probably like around $400 or $500. But the main thing I want to cover in this video, guys, is the car shipment and how long it takes to get your car. So when you go to the Tesla website, you can click custom order, and let's say we're buying a Tesla Model 3. We're just gonna click purchase price because including savings is like doesn't really give us the actual price of the car. So let's just pick random stuff and then click next, I believe. And over here, as you can see, it's estimated delivery 7 to 11 weeks. Now it's 11 max, but I remember it was like up to 14 weeks, which is crazy because like honestly, when I was buying mine, it said 2 to 4 weeks and I still didn't customize my own. But with that said, you see 7 to 11 weeks, that's a lot of time. That's like at least 2 months of waiting, and it's insane. Like at that point, you're not even gonna want the car. So what I recommend you guys do is we're gonna go back to the Tesla website, and as you can see, there's another button that says existing inventory, and I'm gonna click on that. And it depends if you're looking for new or used, either one is fine. But as you can see, they also have brand new cars already in the inventory, and you don't have to wait 2 months. So right here, standard plus, the same price, less than 50 miles on the car, so basically brand new. I got mine with 30 miles, so as you can see, a black one for 41. So that means that the paint is $1,000, which is the same, like pretty much the same prices. Over here, a blue one for 41, and those are standards. If you keep scrolling down, as you can see right here, long range, 50,000. Long range gray one for 50,000. So these cars are right here, $50,000. This is the one I got, similar to this, black, for the same amount of money, except I had a free charging. But either way, as you can see, like all of these cars are brand new. You don't have to wait 2 months to get your car, and it says what the car comes with. So autopilot, which every car comes with autopilot now, and 1 year premium connectivity, or if you look at the standard ones, it says 30-day trial. So mine expires in like 6 months, or like, yeah, a little bit less than 6 months. But anyway, you can also click on filters and go to used, and you might get like a cheaper cheaper Tesla if you're looking for a cheaper version or whatnot. And right here, as you can see, this one has 15,000 miles and it's 2018, which kind of sucks because the car is already 2 years old and it has 15,000 miles on it. But it has clean history, which is no accidents, which is good, and 30-day trial and full self-driving, which is like an extra 7,000. So with those specs, the car brand new costs like $58,000. So right here it's 51, so you're saving like $6,000. And there's 2019 version red, as you can see, with white interior, it's 56. So it has full self-driving, it has white interior, so with all that it probably costs like 58, 59, because white interior is 1,500 and the full self-driving 7,000, so 8,500 more, and also the paint is $2,000, I believe. And that's the way to get a Tesla cheaper on their website and like official. But if you want to get a used one and save a lot more money, then you can go to used Tesla. Just type that in or click the link down below. And as you guys see, this is the website. It's actually called onlyusedtesla.com, and they have a bunch of used Teslas for sale from people actually selling, not from no dealership or the Tesla. So these are like personal vehicles that people are trying to sell, and you can get really good deals here. So as you can see, 2016 Model X red 90D, which is pretty good, for 57,000, and mileage is only 14,000, which is really good. And he actually has captain seats, which is crazy. So it has 6 seats, 6-seater red, only 14,000 miles on it, 2016, and $57,000. These deals, man, they get me going crazy. Like, I would buy that car back when I was buying mine. If they had a deal like that, I would definitely cop it. There's a P90 Ludicrous Model S, but the mileage is high. So, and this looks like some kind of a custom edition. And you guys can keep going. Like 2020 brand new long range white car, 1,800 miles only, and he's selling for 46,000. So right there you can save $3,000 just because you're buying from a person that actually owns the car and doesn't want it anymore. And the negative is that the car has almost 2,000 miles, but other than that, this deal is great. So I hope you guys got some kind of information in this video. When you're looking for a Tesla, it's definitely recommended to try to get your best deal with your best interest. So basically, like whatever wheels you want, whatever interior you want, obviously, if you want new or used. And if you're on a budget, of course it's better to save and get the cheapest deal possible, but also a great one. So these are the ways you can go about getting a Tesla, and a cheaper way and the fastest way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this channel, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.